Would you look at that view? Absolutely stunning. These are the residences at the W Hoboken. I'm your Hoboken Realtor, Mike Kotler. Let's step inside, take a tour, and while you're looking around, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the building and the location in town. So, as the name implies, you're in the W Hoboken. It is on the water, on the river, between 2nd and 3rd Streets in Hoboken, with an unobstructed view, unobstructed, you're right on the river, of New York City. And they're 360-degree views. Not in your apartment, you're going to have a couple of them. This one we're in right now, let's go take a look. Right now you're looking south. We're gonna tilt our heads a little bit to the east, and you have the World Trade Center in all of Lower Manhattan. No neighbors to look in. You're a 3-minute walk from the PATH station, which goes to the World Trade Center, or on the 33rd Street line, or even into Jersey City or Newark. You have the ferry right there. The building was built in '09, floors one through, we're gonna keep rolling, no outtakes here. 1 through 17 are the hotel, and 18 through 26 are the condos. There are only 40 of them, so this is pretty boutique, and you have your own keyed elevator card, so no one in the hotel is going to go up. It's a separate elevator bank just for the 40 owners who are lucky enough to live here. So we're in the primary bedroom right now. Let's go back out, check out this view right here. Now you're looking west. So as you can see, east, south, west views from this particular 2-bed, 2.5-bath unit. Unbelievable. This is my favorite part. Now, let's actually go step outside and take a look at where you live. You're directly on the waterfront in Hoboken. You have a jogging path, parks, tons of bars and restaurants within 500 feet of the building. You have in-building parking right there. We're gonna do a little speed walk right now, a little speed ramp. Walk in, check out some artwork. You have the concierge there. You have housekeeping. You have in-room dining, right? Those are the conveniences that you get when you live in a hotel. And so I'll let you check this out for another minute. If you have any questions about the residences at the W Hoboken or any other Hoboken building, let me know.